Tunnel projects in Europe are on the rise, and they pose a challenge for communication technologies. To test the effectiveness of 5G mobile communications under these special conditions, we visited one of the largest projects of this kind in Europe, Stuttgart 21, invited by a security service provider of Deutsche Bahn. The experts in fire protection and hazard prevention in tunnels and underground construction sites have special requirements for reliable mission-critical communication. 5G connectivity enables local services such as communication, monitoring and sensors without any internet connection, and can be flexibly adapted to the constantly changing conditions at the construction site. Particularly interesting for the rescue teams, the ability to locate devices and personnel in real time, with the help of IoT device tracking. Use cases extend beyond image recognition services to the use of drones for analysis and exploration. On site, we set up our mobile 5G system quickly and efficiently. Setting up and activating a measurement site does not take any longer than 20 minutes. Unlike in open areas, in tunnels, in addition to the frequency range and the characteristics of the chosen antennas, the topology of the track routing, the geometry of the tunnel, connection structures down to the surface texture of the tunnel walls all have influence on the signal range. Our initial tests included data transmission and voice communication. The result: calls with a range of 2,000 meters with just a single antenna, even in a curve, in construction areas and under simulated operational conditions. The feedback from engineers and rescue teams was overwhelmingly positive. We'll come back soon with our mobile 5G lab.